Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is all about Mecari and how to get started on Mecari. You guys keep asking me, Tina, I want to get started on Mecari. How do I start on Mecari? What's Mecari? If you're not familiar with Mecari, Mecari is a selling app, and with this app, you can put things that you're no longer going to use online and get a little extra coin. You can use that coin to pay off some bills, or you can use it to buy something else that you're really interested in getting. So Mecari, I'll leave all the information below. If you sign up with Mecari with my link, you guys would get $10 off your first purchase. Always helps out if you're looking to buy on Mecari. I'm not just a seller on Mecari, I'm also a buyer on Mecari. I buy, okay? Trust me, I have hauls coming up. I buy on Mecari quite often now. So yeah, I'm not just a seller on Mecari, I'm actually a user. What got me started on Mecari, a subscriber of mine was like, hey Tina, it's some things at the outlet that you have and I really want. Can you buy them for me and put them on Mecari? And when you put them on Mecari, I'll go ahead and buy them from you. And I'm like, Mecari? What's Mecari? And then I downloaded Mecari, got started, purchased the items from her. She purchased them from me, and then it just exploded. Like when I say it exploded, it exploded. I've been on Mecari about 2 months now. I have had over 140 orders. Yes, over 140 orders. It's been amazing. A lot of the orders, of course, come from my subscribers, and I thank you guys so much. But the way I've started my Mecari was a lot different than most folks, where they just put things that they're looking to get rid of. I actually was going to the store using my own money to purchase the items and then put them online for others to purchase. So I'm going to tell you guys how much I made, but how much of what I made was actually profit versus what I spent. So far off Mecari, I have made $2,400. But I have put in about $1,700 of my own money. So yes, I have made a profit, but I put $1,700 of my own money into products and stuff like that. And then on top of that, all my shipping supplies. So you add another $100 for that. So $1,800 is what was spent on buying products and shipping stuff. Do I recommend doing that to the average Mecari user? No. And the reason why is because you don't know what people want. You don't know what people's going to sell. And everyone doesn't have a platform to have people that want these items that you're trying to sell. I was blessed that, my subscribers were in abundance wanting these items, and I fairly priced all my items. I didn't say, hey, I want $20 for a lotion, even though it was a very rare lotion. No, I'm not going to charge you $20 for one lotion. Like, where they do that at? I would never do that to my subscribers. That's why my profit margin isn't as high as it could have been if I would have charged rates for what people on Mecari are actually charging for rare items. I did not do that. But let me tell you how I calculated, and this is going to be really tip number one, I guess, how to price your Mecari. So how to price the item you're trying to sell on Mecari, you need to keep in some key factors. How much the item cost you, for one. Two, how much time did you spend to travel to get that item if you're buying something for someone or something like that to put on Mecari. This is how I did mine in my head. Three, how much is your shipping stuff going to cost, like your packaging, your bubble wrap, stuff like that? How much is that going to cost you? Also, you need to keep into a fact how much it's going to cost you out of your time to get to the post office and stuff like that, because time is money, and you should be compensated for your time. So let's say I have a bundle on Mecari. I'll have a bundle of 3 items. Normally I put a price of $25, but with my subscribers, you get a $3 to $4 discount per 3-pack bundle. So you end up paying like $21 for 3 items, which is really good. That's $7 an item for a retired fragrance. That's what the store is charging normally on retired fragrances. So I'm charging $7 per item for a retired fragrance. Yes, I got the item for maybe $3.80 or something like that. But you got to think, it's that $3.80 plus the tax. I paid the tax on it. I had to drive 30 minutes to get it, drive 30 minutes to get back home. And then on top of that, I had to pack it up and I had to pay for the packing supplies. And I also had to pack it and get it where it needed to go. All that is time and compensation. And when you really think about it, you spent out of pocket at least $5 per item. So you're making back $2 per item, $2 to $3 per item. What makes me the most money, to be honest, is candles, because candles have a higher return than body care. The body care, I do it for you guys. I do it because I know what it's like to want something that's extremely rare and not be able to find it. I do the body care for y'all more than anything, because the body care is not, unfortunately, where the money is in Mecari when it comes towards, selling. And the reason why it's not is because it's not a big money maker. It's just not. The return on investment is not there unless you're getting things for $2 a pop. Is not a good return on investment. Plus shipping is out of control. Like you have to weigh out everything perfectly. So let's say if something's £2 to ship something that's £2, that's $9.68. My customers, they pay for their own shipping because I'm making so little off the return anyway. Some people, they do cover shipping. I don't, because I'm actually going out and purchasing these items for you. I make a couple bucks on the return. That's all I really get out of any of it after you subtract gas and everything else. I make just a couple bucks per order. I have had over 145 orders on my Mecari. Thank you to my subscribers and even some people that just found me on Mecari that just found me. I even give them discounts off bundles as well, because again, I know what it's like to want rare items. And yes, that takes off my bottom line and my profit, but I like making sure people are taken care of. And then if there's something that was supposed to be shipped, I have made that mistake one time and missed a part of the item. I went out the next day and shipped it on me myself because it was a mistake I made, because customer service is extremely important when you're selling on Mecari or selling period, or telling somebody you're going to do something for them. Making sure that you stand by what you say is more important than anything. So that's very important. So that's how I price my items. I just keep in mind my time, how much the item costs me, and packing supplies. That's how you put your profit margin. A lot of things like body care doesn't have a big return on investment, a big ROI. It's just not there. When it comes to Bath and Body Works, if that's what you want to sell on Mecari, your biggest ROI is going to be on candles. That's going to be your biggest return on investments, depending on how much you spend on the candle. But if you got candles that were $3 each and you're able to sell them for $18, then you get the biggest return on investment. If you can catch glitches from Victoria's Secrets, that's the biggest money maker of all. If you can catch a Victoria's Secret glitch and you can get a lot of expensive items really cheap, and you can charge, $50 for it, and that's still like almost half off the regular price, then you get the biggest ROI. Or let's say you got free Bath and Body Works products, and then you're putting the free Bath and Body Works products online, then of course you'll get a better ROI because the items didn't cost you anything. But to me, the body care has the least return on investment. I see some people right now charging $160 for lemon snowdrop, items. Like, you can get 6 lotions today for $100. I'm like, who would charge somebody $100 for 6 lotions from, Land of Sweets? Like, I don't price gouge like that. I think my highest thing is $48, but it's for a 6-piece set. And you get all 5 of the items, Land of Sweets, lemon, like all the different things from the lemon line, and then a Christmas cookie spray. And that's $48. So that's under $8. That's about $8 an item. And if you're a subscriber, you get a $4 subscriber discount. So it takes it down even more. So I don't see why people are charging $100-something for that. But, there's somebody out there that's going to pay it. It is just how it is. Somebody will eventually pay it. Another tip is don't accept every offer people give you, because somebody is going to pay what you're worth. Don't just accept every offer people are offering out there, especially if you're trying to do Mecari to get money. If you're trying to make money off Mecari by getting rid of your old stuff because you got bills to pay, or if you just want to fix up and buy new stuff and you just want to get rid of the old, do not just settle on anything anybody wants to give you. But if you're like me and you're a hoarder and you're just trying to get rid of a lot of stuff, you can accept some offers. And the majority of the offers I accept, of course, are from my subscribers, because I appreciate every single one of you. So yeah, that's just all the pricing and, gauging that goes on with Mecari. As far as your packaging, I usually ship if it's only 2 items, like 2 sprays or something like that, or a spray and a lotion or a spray and a body wash. I use a small packaging supply, bubble wrapper, and they're normally purple. I get a 25 pack off Amazon for $7. I'll try to link it below. If they're the bigger ones, I use the manila bubble envelopes, and that will hold up to 4 items. It's usually $6 for a 5 pack at Walmart. And if they're bigger than that, then I just go ahead and use boxes. I use boxes that I have around the house, from Amazon or from different stores that I shopped at, and I send them in that, and I bubble wrap everything. It's very important when you're packing your supplies that you pack items the way you want items received to you. If you pack items for people, think about it as it's something you're getting in the mail, that it's your item. Would you want your stuff to come sloppy? No, you don't want your stuff to come sloppy, so don't send your stuff out sloppy, because that's the representation of you. I don't send my stuff out sloppy. I like to wrap things. I try to make sure things are secure, they're neat, they're tightly packed, because that is a reflection on me and on my channel and on me personally. So I like to make sure I keep my end of the bargain, and I make sure everything is packed nice, just like if you got it at Bath and Body Works. So that's very important. Make sure you nicely, tightly wrap your packaging. Make sure you have your bubble wrap, make sure you have your tape, make sure you have all your packing supplies in tow, so you are ready to go. I got into Mecari because of my subscribers. I'm in it and I'm going to stay in it, and it's because of my subscribers. Now I'm actually at a point where I'm not buying anymore. I'm just using my items I already have, because I have a lot, and I'm putting them up on Mercari, because I don't need all that stuff, y'all. I can only go through so much. I'm only one person, and then some stuff that I'm reviewing I don't think is all that, I just think it's okay. Y'all are going to start seeing on Mercari as well, and I'll put it as used, and I'll discount it a little bit for you guys, of course, because it's a used item. Even though I only sprayed it maybe 5 times, I'll discount the price for you guys, because it's senseless for me to keep holding on to all that stuff for no reason. It's no reason for it. So I hope this helps somebody that's looking to get started with selling body care on Mecari or anything on Mecari. Just go ahead, sign up with Mecari. I'll leave all the information below. Put your stuff up there. Make you a little coin. It's always nice to have a little safety net stash, save money somewhere, especially of items that you're not going to use. You're not going to use them. Why hold on to them? Why be a hoarder? Sell them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any in particular questions you have, again, let me know below. I love you guys. Bye, guys.